Hey, it's Nick Dadamio back with you again today. I hope you had a great and profitable week this past week. If you're waking up already behind, already stressed, already reactive, I want you to hear this. You don't need more motivation. You need a better loop. Because in sales, your days don't always go the way you want them to go. It goes the way you're wired. Today, I'm going to walk you through the mindset loop and the 30-minute morning routine I use to lock it in. So I'm proactive, focused, and consistent before the world starts pulling at me. Let's be real. Sales can be chaotic. Slack messages, emails, internal calls, customer fires, forecast pressures. And if you start your day reacting, you'll spend the whole day reacting. And that's where confidence disappears, because confidence is built through control. Not control over the market, not control over the customer, but control over yourself. So the goal isn't to have a perfect day. The goal is to start the day in a way that sets your brain up to win. That's where the mindset loop comes in. Here's the mindset loop in plain English. Thoughts lead to beliefs. Beliefs lead to actions. Actions lead to results. And then we're back to thoughts again. Let me say that again, because this is everything. Your thoughts create your beliefs. Your beliefs drive your actions. Your actions create your results. And your results reinforce your thoughts. That's the loop. So when someone tells me, Nick, I'm in a slump, I'm not closing anything, I'm not confident, my first question is not, what strategy are you using? My first question is, what are you rehearsing in your mind every day? Because if your mind is rehearsing doubt, you'll take hesitant actions. If your mind is rehearsing fear, you'll procrastinate. And if your mind is rehearsing confidence, you'll take clean, consistent actions, especially in the hard parts of the sales day. The most important part, you can interrupt the loop. You can rewrite it. And the easiest time to do it, that is before the day even starts. So let me show you exactly how I do it. This is my 30-minute morning prep, and it's simple. It's not complicated. It's not woo-woo. It's a repeatable system that sets my mindset, sets my new identity, and then locks in the one thing that keeps my pipeline alive. You guessed it, daily prospecting, no exceptions. I start my day with a few quiet minutes, no phone, no email, no noise. And I'll write down 3 things I'm grateful for. Why? Because research shows that writing down 3 things you're grateful for each and every day increases your happiness. Well, here's the practical sales reason. Gratitude shifts you out of scarcity. It shifts you out of I'm behind energy to I'm capable energy. And when you sell from scarcity, people feel it. But when you sell from grounded confidence, people will trust you. Remember, 3 gratitudes shift your state and it'll improve your decisions. Next, I write my daily affirmations. I want to be clear. Affirmations aren't magic words. They're belief training. If the loop is thoughts, beliefs, actions, affirmations are you choosing thoughts on purpose. Here are a few examples you can borrow. I lead with value and clarity. I control my effort and my energy. I am consistent, especially when I don't feel like it. I prospect every day, no exceptions. The point is not to hype yourself up. The point is to install the belief you want to act from. Then I visualize my new identity. I imprint that picture on my subconscious mind. Because visualization is a powerful tool to achieve goals. And here's the key. Don't just see it. You got to feel it. Imagine your success. Feel the emotions of your success. Believe in it. Because that emotional rehearsal gives your mind clarity. It tells your brain, this is who we are now. And when you do that consistently, something changes. Your decisions get clearer. Your energy gets steadier. And your actions get more consistent. This is how you stop being the person who tries and become the person who does. Visualize identity, feel it, act like it. Then I'll do a few deep breaths, just a few. And I shift my focus. Because breathing is a fast way to change your nervous system. And a shift in focus can change your entire day. This is the moment where I move from reactive to proactive before the day even starts. And if you've been waking up tense, worried, rushing, try this tomorrow morning. You'll feel the difference. Now we get tactical. I take 30 minutes to plan the day. And the first thing I protect, my prospecting blocks. I have them built into my schedule, and they're untouchable. Because if you're not prospecting consistently, here's what happens. You don't feel it today. You don't feel it next week. But 60 to 90 days down the road, you hit a valley. You'll feel it then. A pipeline drought, and then people start panicking, working late, discounting, chasing anything that moves, all because they stopped doing the one thing that keeps sales alive: pipeline creation, every single day, no exceptions. So I treat prospecting like my meeting with my future. I don't cancel on my future. So here's the full system: gratitude, affirmations, visualization, breathing, plan the day, protect prospecting. That's how you run the mindset loop on purpose. You choose the thoughts, you install the beliefs, you take consistent actions, you get better results. And then the loop starts working for you instead of against you. Try it tomorrow morning, just once. Even just for 10 minutes, you'll feel the difference. And if you want my simple mindset loop and morning reset checklist, comment reset, and I'll tell you how to get it. And if you're ready to rebuild your belief, your structure, and your numbers, subscribe and let's do this together. I'm hosting a free webinar next week where we'll reinforce some of these topics. I will leave the link to sign up for that in the description below. Thanks for stopping by today. We'll see you next week on Friday for the YouTube post, and then Thursday for my free webinar. Appreciate your time. Have a great week, and see you next week.